Namaskar everyone, my name is Astro Anshul. I am an astrologer, numerologist and Vastu consultant. Today I'll share with you Rahu in the 12th house, what all results Rahu gives if it is placed in the 12th house of your Patrika, that is your birth chart. So Rahu is a malefic planet. Rahu shows a passion of a person. A person is able to attain anything that he wants in his life related to that particular house or wherever the Rahu is placed in the Patrika, or with whosoever planet the Rahu is placed, the person will become very addictive to that particular thing or to that trait in his life. So when Rahu is placed in the 12th house of your Patrika, 12th house shows jail. 12th house also represents your death. 12th house shows hidden enemies, spies. It shows occult science, astrology. 12th house also shows losses and expenses that you do. 12th house shows foreign settlements or foreign items. So when Rahu is placed in the 12th house, the person is inclined towards settling abroad. This kind of placement makes a person work in foreign organization, or his company wherever that person is working, that will be an international company wherein it will be required for him to travel abroad very frequently. These people have an innate desire in them to travel abroad and settle in their life, which they are able to do very easily in a later half of their life. So Rahu also supports a person to learn foreign language with this placement. Rahu makes a person, his imagination very strong. As big film directors, those who are very famous, they have a Rahu in their 12th house, as Rahu helps them to create imagination, or they are able to envision the scene or the entire picture, that what kind of movie will it become. So they can easily do that imagination and able to direct film as per their imagination. Whatever the scene is going to happen, they can think in their mind, and they can easily, by doing that, envision, because their imagination is very strong here. So they can prepare that world class movie or very unique and different movie, which shows a strong imagination of a person here with this placement. Rahu here also shows addiction of a person. Well, these people have an addiction of overspending, because 12th house also shows expenses. So they have this habit of overspending. They may curb this habit if they will start investing the same amount or the money which they are overspending in certain kind of investments, or if they do start doing investments or start putting money for long term gains. So this is one of the ways, because 12th house also shows your investments, capital investments. So here, instead of overspending, the person can easily save money if they keep this thing in their mind. Well, if Rahu is placed with Venus here, if Rahu is placed with Venus here, then the person will be addicted to bed pleasures, or will be addicted, or they will not be able to be content with content sexually very easily here, because 12th house shows bed pleasures, and Rahu with Venus makes a person very addictive towards sex life or towards bed pleasures. These people have this habit of not waking up on time in the morning. They sleep for long hours. So this is the problem which Rahu gives. They have problem with getting wake up on time in the morning. Rahu with this placement aspects your 4th house, 6th house and 8th house, which creates problem in your with your mother, and this is a good placement for you to win over your enemies. But since it is aspecting your 8th house, and 8th house is the 9th house, 9th house is the house of long travel. So 8th house is the 9th house from 12th. So this will support your long travels here. As per numerology, what all things we need to keep in mind when we are looking at Rahu in the 12th house? As per numerology, the date of birth should have number 7, or the destiny number should become 7. Then settlement abroad becomes very easy for these people, and they keep on rising abroad when Rahu is placed in the 12th house, as well as the person has destiny 7, or the total comes to number 7. So guys, this was my observation on Rahu in the 12th house. If you like the video, I request you all to subscribe my channel and press the bell notification. From next time onwards, I'm going to start video on Venus in all the houses. So kindly subscribe the channel and keep on getting these videos. Thank you all. Bye bye.